gogoevan.com बिजली वाहन उद्योग के 360 degree solution provider.
Hello friends, myself Nitin Samant. Hope you are enjoying my sessions. In the last sessions, we have learned about what is fork in bicycles. So friends, in today's session, we will be learning about what is headset in bicycles. So friends, let's get started. The headset is the set of components on a bicycle that provides a rotatable interface between the bicycle fork and the head tube of a bicycle frame. So friends, the tube through which the steerer of the fork passes is called the head tube. A typical headset consists of two cups that are pressed into the top and the bottom of the head tube. Inside the two cups are bearings which provide a low friction contact between the bearing cup and the steerer. So friends, the headset is the bearing assembly that fits a two bike head tube and allows the fork and the front wheel to turn. So friends, when it's working as it should, you probably won't notice your headset too much, but you will become conscious of it if it needs regressing or starts to wear out, because your steering will begin to suffer. So friends, as is usually the case in the world of bikes, there are no such thing as a unified standard when it comes to headsets. There are lots of different designs out there. Here are the key ones. Threaded headsets. There were times when all headsets screwed onto a thread on the steerer tube. Threaded steerer tubes are usually 1 inch in diameters, though some mountain bikes were built with 1/8 inch and 1/4 in threaded headset before threadless designs took over. So friends, with this system, the bearing cups are pressed into the head tube with bearings settings above and below the races. The upper bearing is threaded and held in place by a thread lock nut. So friends, hope we have understood many things. In the upcoming sessions, we will be learning more things.
gogoevan.com बिजली वाहन उद्योग के 360 degree solution provider.
gogoevan world class manufacturer और supplier.
बिजली वाहन उद्योग में क्वालिटी एश्योरेंस, कॉम्पिटिटिव प्राइस और एडवांस टेक्नोलॉजी.
gogoevan education system.
बिजली वाहन उद्योग में नॉलेज, स्किल्स और एबिलिटी एक्सेलरेटेड.
gogoevan research and development center.
बिजली वाहन उद्योग में हर इंजीनियर की शान और इन्वेंटर की जान.
gogoevan incubation center.
बिजली वाहन उद्योग में नई सोच, नया भविष्य, नए स्टार्टअप का बुलंद साथीदार.
gogoevan ODM और ODM supplier. ब्रांड आपका, आइडिया आपका, टेक्नोलॉजी हमारी.
GoGo A1. Ride into the future.